Alright, here we go. Today, your notes are histograms and box and whisker plots. Histograms. You guys just read it. Histograms and box and whisker plots. Maybe your teacher is just student.
Do you see this drawing?
Yeah.
That's a good drawing.
That's not an E, that's a dash. How does that box and whisker plot?
How you gonna do that? No.
She's freaking out.
Was it an oopsie?
It's more like.
So it was an oopsie. I thought you were about to say it's another dude's. I was like, oh.
No. Like, she has a medical thing that makes her not like. It doesn't usually like. She doesn't tend to.
But it did this.
Like her son's gonna be 6.
Oh. Mr. Sanders, I think I got your future plan set out now. Your future plan. Alright, we're reaching here for a 10-year plan, okay?
It's a 10-year plan.
Listen, what you're gonna do is you're gonna date a doctor. Okay? Like a rich doctor, like super rich, like LA doctor.
Okay.
And make sure he has at least 3 different Mercedes. And no, the AMGs, okay? No, Teslas are.
Most of the doctors are.
God, never mind. If he has a Tesla, don't do it. It's an electric car. It's like driving a Prius. You're gonna marry him. He's gonna live in a huge house. You're gonna let me live there rent free because I helped you find him. You have to make sure he's part of a country club so I can go golf. Huh? Wherever he lives. I mean, if he has a lot of money, think about it. You could just retire teaching and just get supported. Mr. Smith, you could have like a G-Wagon. Oh,
Alright,
yeah,
a histogram
this.
uses intervals to display data. What is a bar graph use? Does it use intervals, it uses what? Values or not always values. Because like yesterday we had 1995, that's not really a value, it's a year. That's what a speed category is. This one uses intervals. Also the difference is the bars do touch. They're still the same width, but they touch. So a little mini example right here. I'm not going to give it a category right now, but let's just say 1, 2. Pretend they're the same width, but then do straight. Notice the intervals are all in groups of what? 10. Should really be 11, but whatever. We'll just pretend that. Okay. We're going to do an example. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of numbers to write down. Our problem is talking about daily high temperatures. Daily high temperatures. Infant. Daily high temperatures. Infant. Are you ready? Here comes the list. 62, 70, 64, 71, 70, 62, 68, 67, 68, 72. Alright, next row. 62, 59, 58, there's one back. 60, 59, 56, 53, 51, 55, 56, and 60. No,
set them up for me. They're in a bag. I'm pretty sure they're in there. And if not,
Alright, next row. 53, 57, 55, 50, 46, 49, 46, 52, and 48. You have 31 numbers, yeah? Alright, we need to make what's called a frequency table. A frequency table is nothing crazy, it's super easy. What does frequency mean? What's the definition of frequency? Anyone know? If I say you go to the bathroom frequently, what does that mean? All the time, often, right? So it's the same thing. It's just wanting to know how many fit in each piece. Our intervals are going to be 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Leading to the next interval is going to be 60 over 60. 60 to what? 64. What's the next interval going to be? 65 to 69. And our last interval is 70 to. Okay? Now, this is all you're going to do. Ready? Are you ready? Watch the magic. 63 is in which one? Wonderful, so put on. 70 is in which one?
73.
Good, so you might make a mark. Every 5 gets a 1. Yeah? We good? We're just making tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5. That's all you're doing. So you're going to go ahead and count, put them all in where they go.
the ones you liked. It should have come with one.
Alright, do you have any in 40 to 44? No. How many in the 45 to 49? 4. Good. You want to put a tally on the side so you know how many you have, fine. How many in the 50 to 54?
6.
Sure. 55 to 59? 60 to 64? 65 to 69? And 70 to 74. Yeah? I just put these numbers here so I can add them up, but you don't need them. This is really what it's for. Yes? The numbers on the side of this top. We good? Alright. Now, guess what we have to do? We need a chart. So I have to turn my page. For mad room. Alright, what are our intervals starting at? What's the first interval they give us? What was it? 40 to 44? And the next interval was what? Good. Then the next one? And the next one? And the next one? 60 to 54. Next one. And what? All I do is write the interval. Alright, let's graph. How many between 40 and 44? Any? No. So 45 to 49 had how many? 4? How many from 50 to 54?
6.
How many from 55 to 59?
8.
We're going to determine drawing straight line. How many from 60 to 64? 55 to 59?
4.
And 70 to 70.
4.
Okay? Question? Alright. Let's talk about box and whisker. So Whisker is a graphic way to display the median, quartiles, and extremes of a data set on a number line to show distribution. It's a graphic way to display the median, the quartiles, and extremes of a data set on a number line to show distribution. I used some words that we don't know, like the word extreme. So let's go define the word extreme. Extremes is your smallest and largest number. So in other words, your minimum and maximum. Your lower quartile. Another word when we talk about quartiles, there's two. There's a lower quartile and an upper quartile. Your lower quartile is the median of the lower half. And it sounds confusing, but I promise it's really easy once you do it. We also have the upper quartile, which is also the median of the upper half. Now I'm going to draw a little example down here at the bottom. So all of these things will make sense. So here's our number line, and number line is counting by 10. A box of Whisker is called a box because it has a box in which it has whiskers sitting on it. So here's your box and whisker. Box and whiskers. What you got? I'm gonna label the parts to it. Where do you think your minimum or your lower extreme is going to be? Right here. This is your lower extreme, which we also know to be the minimum. Okay? Which makes this point over here your what? We're using the word upper, but yeah. It's your upper extreme, which we also know is to be the what? Maximum. Easy enough. So whatever the biggest number is, it's all the way over there. Whatever the lowest number is, it's all the way over there. And you'll put a point. Your median is the line in the middle. Your median is the line in the middle. How do we find the median again? All you do is use your fingers right by the middle number. Right? Easy enough? That's your median. So, there's that. Then what I do is I take from the lowest number to the median and I find the second median. And that's called your lower quartile. And that's this piece. So in other words, it's just another median. Okay? And then I do the same thing for the upper, and I find the next median, and that's here, and that's called your upper quartile. Okay? So I want you to think right now how tall you are. Put in inches. When did you put in inches? That's what means you're all inches. So I'm 58 inches. Okay? So think how tall you are. And I'm going to pick somebody to give me your height. Who has their height in inches for me? Go. 65. William. 63. Where'd you go? How tall are you?
5 feet.
So 5 feet is how many inches? 60 plus 3 is what? 60. No, that's on top of there. I'll give you mine. 58. This one. 62? 54. Antonio. 58. Aaron. You're 6 feet, right? And 6 times 12 is what? 72. Plus what, how many inches? 1? Or 73? 10. 74? First. That's all. I told you guys to calculate this. You know how tall you are?
It's like 5, 6.
The same height? 66. So look at that part. Give me, I need 4 more. Alright, you. That's fine. Olivia.
62?
I had to be your small one.
You.
Jesse, I know. 60? One more.
What's up with you, Michelle?
I'm the 58. Ivan.
58.
58. I am 410. Alright. Ready? Okay, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna listen from least to greatest. Go. Least to greatest.
Who's a fat? Huh? Mr. Sanders, you should give me a Disney pass for my graduation day. Yeah. But like paid off. Huh? Who, you, Audrey, and your mom? Wait, which ones do you guys have? The ones with no blockout dates? Isn't that one like $1,200? $1,300? Sick. Why are they so expensive though? Like, Disneyland's honestly not that great to pay $1,000 for a season pass. Okay, why is there unit review E in here still? I haven't.
Alright, from least to greatest with the small one. Great, let's go. 58. Keep going. Wait, this is by 66? And then? Oh, I messed up. Go ahead. What is the median? Do we find the median? Find the median for me. Okay. Circle it. Label it. What do I know 58 is going to be? Lower extreme. What's 74 going to be? Upper extreme. We good? Yeah. Oh, there's 368? Yeah. So it should be between where? 5.5? So it should be right here? In between? The median's actually here, which is 65.5? Okay. Thank you. That actually is a good example there. Ready? So what you're going to do is this. We're going to find the lower quartile and upper quartile. It's super easy. Ready? We're going to ignore this. We're going to now find the median of this part. So because these two were the middle, my median's actually in the middle, so it doesn't count. Okay? If this was my median, I wouldn't look at it. But this is not my median. So I'm going to look from here to here and find the low. What is it? 63? Circle it. And we just called it the lower what? Quartile, good. And now you're going to do it for the upper part. Exactly. Yeah? Is 68 right here? Yes? And that's now labeled as your what? Upper quartile. You good?
Yep.
here comes the easy part. Well, that was easy. Here comes the part. We just go. So our number line, we want to go from probably what? 55 to 75? You can count by what? 5, or you can count by 1. What do you want to count by? 5? Do you get to pick what you want to count by? Yeah, you can. You can count to know your graph. I'll put it in here somehow. Okay, lower extreme. We said is at what? 68. 68 is roughly about here, correct? Okay. Where's your upper extreme? I'm a 58, sorry. I drew 58, 58. Where's your upper extreme? 70 what? 74. So right by 75. There we go. Those two are done, yes? Now let's work our way in. We have our lower quartile at what? 63. 63 is right about the middle, so it should be a line there. Got it? Upper quartile is where? 58, so there should be a line right about there. Make sense? And your last line is your what? Median, which is 65.5, which is pretty much right at 65. Yes? I did different colors so you can see it. Draw your box. Draw your whisker. And you're done. Questions?
Tomorrow I'm just going to spend all period organizing this so I can grade it quickly. Because this thing is a mess.
You understand? It's median, 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 minimum, maximum. That's it. Median, 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 minimum, maximum. Easy enough? Alright. Great, summary?
How did it even get this bad, like?
Hmm?
So how did it even get this bad?